Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number TPU5023. This is your 4-inch round red flashing emergency strobe light with the rubber grommet and the 3-prong plug and play. Let's check it out. Alright, so TPU5023 is the part number. The white wire is the ground wire, so we're going to hook that up real quick. So the red wire, if you connect this one, it's going to flash like so. So you got your emergency flashing lights, or if you want a bit of a different flare, it will also do this. Now isn't that pretty cool? So this is plug and play. As you can see, I'm just changing the wires right here. So you can hook it up however you want. Do this going down the road, or you can make it flash going down the road, or have it on a toggle switch. However you want to do it. But these are super bright and they're definitely going to get attention. We keep these in stock, pretty popular, great price point. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.